Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. Just follow these steps so you'll understand what's possible and the alternative methods you can use. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on the home page, go to Products, then click on Supercharts. Inside the chart area, scroll down and tap on Trading Panel. Next, click Show All Brokers. In the search bar, type Topstep. As you'll see, Topstep is not available in TradingView's list of supported brokers. Based on research, it's actually not possible to directly connect Topstep to TradingView, but there are two alternative methods you can use. 1. Use Topstep X. Topstep X is Topstep's own proprietary platform, and it already integrates TradingView charts directly inside the interface. This means you can follow Topstep's risk rules while still enjoying TradingView's advanced charting tools. No manual connection needed. 2. Use Tradeovate with TradingView. If you have a Tradeovate account through Topstep, you can connect it to TradingView. Tradeovate is supported, so you can trade through Tradeovate while using TradingView charts. To connect Tradeovate, just type Tradeovate in the broker search bar, click on it, and then enter your Tradeovate username and password. Tap Connect and you're good to go. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll know exactly how to use TradingView with Topstep using the available alternatives.